Okay, hello. So to update the polling centers, you have to start with the voter registration centers. So we have already have all the voter registration centers in the system. To find them, you go to resources and then you click on registration centers. This will list all the voter registration centers. You see there is a center code, and then there's an edit button, there is a district, there is a constituency, there is a ward, and there's a name. So I'm going to start with Ward 1. So I'm going to do Ward 1 and I'm going to filter. And here I can see everything about Ward 1. These are all the different centers that I have for Ward 1, right? So now I'm going to open my spreadsheet. And from this spreadsheet, this is the main spreadsheet. On this main spreadsheet, this is where you start. So from this main spreadsheet, I'm going to go here and then say all. So normally it will be like this. It has a lot of items. And as you can see, about 3,300 and something items, right? So I want to filter this as well to for Ward 1 only. So now I'm looking at Ward 1. So in Ward 1, we have 4 actual centers. So I'm going to start with the first one. So the center code here is 1001. So I'm going to keep that. And then this name. So what is the center code 1001? So first thing I'm going to take this and I'm going to search on the website for that. And I'm going to search with this only. And if I search with that, I will find two. You have this and this. This is the old one. This is from 2012. I'm not going to go with that. I'm going to go with this one here because this name Town Barre Kama that matches exactly this. So because I'm going with this, I'm going to click edit here and I'll open this in a new browser. So that opens up here. So now I need to look Town Barre. The code is 1001, and then is this a polling station? No. Is it a polling center? Yes. The section, it's blank. I don't know what the section is right now. The ward is 001, the constituency 1, the district is that. The election year, I want to make sure is 2018. Longitude and latitude, all of this is already filled in, but let's say longitude was not there, latitude was not there. How do I find it? I'll go to my Excel spreadsheet. Now I'm going to copy this again, and now I'm going to go to the second sheet, geocodes. From this second sheet, it has everything here. So I will then go back here and then try to find that name. There is only one item with that name. So I found that item, and you can see the name changed a little bit now. This is what the name is, but this ending is still the same. The ward is now Ward 13, it's not Ward 1. The constituency is constituency 4, and then the district is still Kailahun. So this is the closest I can get to get the longitude and latitude. So I'm going to copy this longitude and latitude here like that. And then I'm going to come here and paste it. And then I'll copy this and put that up here. And then I'll replace this. So this is now my correct longitude and latitude. The 1118 is the number of voters. I get that from here. 1118, 1118. That's the number of voters. If data source is blank, just add the word neck. So once you have all this completed, hit save. And then you are done with that specific one, which is this one. You are done. And when you're done with it, you mark it status complete, that you've completed that. Then you move to the next one, then to the next one, then to the next one. Once you complete all of this, you can mark them all as complete, and then you can come back here and then filter by Ward 2. You can see Ward 2, everything here is also complete, so I will not even bother with that. Then next I'll go to Ward 3, and now that I picked Ward 3, I'm going to look at the first one here for word 3. So I'm going to take this whole line, and then I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to filter by 00003 for word 3, and then filter. And from here I need to find this. So here again I have 2, Kotbare Kisi Tingi Dawa Kotbare Kisi Tingi. So this is a duplicate. I'm not sure why I have it twice, but this is a duplicate. So let's go back to the spreadsheet. This Tongi is not okay. So we have 2 Kisitongi here. So one is Dawa, and then this one is Wahoo Town. And Kotbare Town. So we have multiple ones here. So let's try to figure out which one is which one. So the Kisitongi Dawa, this is the first one. So I'm going to point my edit here, and I'm going to open this up. And there is another one here. I'm going to press my edit here, and I'm going to try to open this. So I have 2. I need to determine which one is which. So this one ends with 3472, and this ends with 3473. So it looks like the same thing was just entered twice. So we don't need to have this twice. It looks like the same thing was just saved twice. So we don't need this twice. So I'm going to say, in this case, I'm going to delete 1. I'm going to delete 3473, the last one that was added. I'm just going to add 0 to this, and then add neck here, and I'm going to delete this. This is a duplicate. Delete that. So that's gone, and I only need this one. So for this one, the center code is 1013. This is the center code 1013. So this is the one I'm working on, 1013. Voters 1040. So this is a polling center, yes. Number of voters is going to be 1040, because on this spreadsheet it says 1040, right? Now, longitude and latitude, I need to collect that. I need to make sure this is 2018. Now I need to find the longitude and latitude. So to find the longitude and latitude, I'm going to take this whole thing again, and then I'm going to click on geocode here. And then I'll go back here to my filter, and I will try to filter by this. So if I cannot find it like that, I'll just do this. And with this, I am able to find it. So now that I found it, all I'm interested in is this one. I will click that, and then I will replace that, and then copy this, paste it over here, and remove this white space. And now that this is all correct, I can then go down and say this is neck. And what was the section here was Kisitungi. I can check to see if that section is actually in. Doesn't look like it's in. I'm going to leave it, and then I'm going to save. So now that I save, it will take me to this page not found because the URL have changed. So I can easily click on this here to confirm that my changes have taken effect. So now that I click on that, you can see pull in the center is yes, this is no, this is correct. The year is there, this date is there, Kailanghong, everything I expect is there. If I want to check to see this, I can actually look for it again by going here under pulling centers, and I refresh. Right now it says 12. If I refresh now, it's supposed to be more than 12 of them. So now you see I have 13 instead of 12, and if I scroll down, and I look under word 003 and I filter, I can see only one item. This is the item. This is the one that I just edited. So that's how you edit and that's how you check. So the most important thing is going to be looking over here for one of these. So in this second one, for example, I will copy this, and then I'll come over here and I will then find that, and I can find it. If I want, I can simply copy this and bring it over here. This way, it's longitude, latitude, longitude, latitude. So if I copy it and bring it over here, now I don't have to go search for it anymore. I can just take it from here and then save it in.